And a live look at I-29 at the 32nd Avenue exit. Some dark clouds overhead, a few raindrops showing from the shafts here. Sometimes they're making their way down to the ground, and other times they're just not quite making it all the way down to the ground. So most of us are staying dry. 63 degrees now at Hector International. That's the same temperature we have at Moorheads Airport. That wind from the north-northwest is blowing at 13 miles per hour. Here is a look at the cool temperatures in green here. Northwest Minnesota, northeast North Dakota. We have upper 50s, but we do have some low 60s in the Red River Valley, where you see the orange hues down by Aberdeen. The temperature 70 degrees, so feels a little nicer for our neighbors in north central portions of South Dakota. Here's the gray skies. We see breaks in those clouds in the Benson and Ramsey County area down towards Stutzman and portions of the Barnes County area. Here is an update on the big hurricane. Now notice a couple of things about this. It's starting to more distinctly take a more northerly direction. That's good news, but still coastal Florida is feeling the impacts of the increased surge and surf and the winds and rain with this system. Now as we take a look at the projection, here's a few different models called spaghetti plots showing where most models do agree it's going to continue in a northerly direction, but quite slow as we go through the next couple of days. It has weakened as that eye has expanded out. It's a Category 2 storm right now, but still very windy with winds sustained at 110 miles per hour. Forecast track is off the coast of the Carolinas by the time we get to Thursday, and then moving up the mid-Atlantic seaboard as it latches into the jet stream winds, which will help propel it out of here a little bit faster once it does get into contact with those. For us, speaking of winds, it's going to remain breezy this evening with northwest winds continuing until after sunset. Then as we go through the overnight, it looks like we could go low. How low will we go? Well, let's see. Skies clear overnight, and with the calm winds, we could see an upper 30-degree reading or two. Fosston, maybe northern parts of Beltrami County to start out your midweek day. Many of us, though, here in the Southern Valley and southeast North Dakota in the mid to upper 40s. Heading into the midday, perfect. We won't have much wind. We'll have more sunshine. And it does look like temperatures will warm into the 60s. That's what the Hutch's yellows mean, where you see the orange hues near 70-degree readings will start pushing their way in from the west. So a nice warm afternoon in our western and far northern counties. In the afternoon, after work and school, the south winds start picking up and could get a little gusty in the evening as we'll see 10 to 25 mile per hour winds from the south. Late tomorrow night, there'll be a chance of showers, but our model is picking the best chance for that will be in our northern counties north of Highway 2. So Fargo's hour-by-hour planner, 45 degrees to start. We warm it up, though, and we'll hover around 70 degrees through the mid-afternoon into the early evening. Your hometown forecast, best shot at 70s, the Northern Valley and out to the west. And out in Minnesota, temperatures improve to the mid-60s, not nearly as much wind, and we should see at least a fair amount of sunshine with late clouds and overnight showers along the international border. Great shot here by Kathy of Horace of some stormy skies, modest clouds, and just glowing colors of the setting sun. Here is a look at your planning forecast. Thursday, the dry weather continues for most, and we warm up. 75 degrees, we'll take it. Friday, we continue dry and 72. Our next chance of rain and cooler weather comes once again on the weekend. Right now, the best chance looks to be in the southern half of our viewing area. We'll keep you posted on that. That system will cool us off for a couple of days once again, Andrea.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Hurricane Dorian, his week